It's Thursday, the 23rd of June 2022. Today's top news headlines. Supreme Court expands gun rights, striking New York limits. 1/6 panel to hear of Trump's pressure on Justice Department. FDA bans dual e-cigarettes tied to teen vaping surge. Afghans bury dead, dig for survivors of devastating quake. Uvalde victim's sister pleads for gun safety measures. Biden administration moves to expand Title IX protections. European Union leaders set to grant Ukraine candidate status. Black veteran groups seek policy agenda on racial inequities. Michigan to destroy some blood spots in fight over consent. Fin-tastic. Growing. Mermaiding. Subculture makes a splash. Turkey. Israel working to take diplomatic missions to ambassador level. Supreme Court rules Americans have right to carry guns in public. Taiwan scrambles jets, alleges fresh incursion by Chinese aircraft. American labor woes, why more power to workers might not work for Biden. Thalassemia victim's father takes the disease on in Pakistan. Turkey, control center for grain corridor to come up if Moscow, Kiev agree. Macron's appeal to break France's political impasse draws frosty response. Lone monkeypox vaccine maker ready to meet demand. Myanmar's Suu Kyi moved to solitary confinement in prison. Survivors dig by hand after Afghanistan quake as foreign aid arrives.